Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into FastAPI in just 60 seconds. Why is it so fast? Let's break it down. First up, FastAPI is asynchronous and non-blocking. This means it can handle multiple requests at the same time without waiting around. Imagine serving hundreds of clients simultaneously. That's the power of async. Next, let's talk about its foundation. FastAPI is built on Starlette and Pydantic. Starlette provides the web micro framework, while Pydantic handles data validation. Together, they make request handling and validation super efficient. But how does it stack up against the competition? Check out this benchmark chart. FastAPI blows Flask and Django out of the water thanks to Python's async capabilities. It's not just fast, it's lightning fast. Now look at this code snippet. See how clean and simple it is? Less boilerplate code means more performance and less headache for you as a developer. In essence, FastAPI combines speed and simplicity. So, would you use it for your next project? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more developer tips and tricks. See you in the next one.